Hello everyone and welcome back to FunMathology. Now today's topic is how to construct an angle of 135 degree. Okay, so we'll follow the step-by-step process and we'll learn the easiest way and the fastest way to construct an angle of 135 degree. So students, what do you need? Again, you need a ruler, you need a compass, and you need a protractor to check whether you have constructed the angle at the end of the construction correctly or not. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so to start construction of an angle of 135 degree, what do you need? You need a line or a line segment, or an arm of an angle. So we'll start by constructing an arm of an angle of any length. So I have already constructed an arm of an angle, that is AO being the vertex of the angle of 135 degree. Now how to conceptualize the whole process? See, 135 degree is a result of addition of two angles, that is, one is 90 degree and another will be 45 degree. So what we are going to do is we will construct a 90 degree here on the vertex O, right? So it will be 90, and we'll extend AO on the left hand side more, and obviously we'll divide or bisect the other 90. We'll get 45. So 45 plus 90 will be 135. So let's see. Okay, so take how to construct a 90. So just take any radius with a compass, point this in the O, okay, in the vertex, and draw an arc. Okay, so I'll just take any radius and I'll just draw an arc. Okay, see. Okay, so as usual, point the needle here in the intersection of the arc and OA. Okay, so draw an first arc here, intersect, and another intersect arc in the second portion of the main arc. Okay, now point here and here, okay, and draw two arc intersecting above. So here one, and pointing here. So got the intersection arc. Now join it. So first of all, mark the intersection point clearly, and this is O. Okay, so here and here. So let's join it. Okay, let's name it as AO. Now we'll name it as B. Now what we are having here, we are having a 90 degree here. Okay, so we had 90 degree, so we just have 90 degree. Okay, so let's now place the protractor and see, it's 90, right? Okay, so the first step that we have covered, that is, we had an arm AO. So O being the vertex, from O we have constructed an angle of 90 degree, right? Now second step would be extend the arm. Okay, so properly and very carefully extend the arm on the left hand side. So we have extended AO, so let's name it as C. Got it? So we have extended on the left hand side. Now see, this is also 90, isn't it? This is also 90, because angle AOC is a straight line, so has to be 180. So this is 90, hence this is also 90. This is also 90. Now we'll bisect this 90. So we'll have 45. So let's see. So angle bisection is very easy. Take any radius with a compass, point here, draw an arc, point here, and draw an intersecting arc. Now this angle is bisected. It's very simple, the fastest way. Now join, mark the intersection point very carefully, and also this O. Okay, and here extend it, join it. Okay, so this, let's name it as D. So angle BOD, this one will be 45 degree. So this one will be 45 degree. So now if you add 90 and 45, what are you going to have? See 5. So this is 135. So the entire angle, so this entire angle is 135 degree. So the entire angle is 135 degree. Okay, so the entire angle is 135 degree, or rather we'll write angle AOD is equal to 135 degree. Got it? So this angle AOD is 135 degree, right? Let's check it out with the protractor. Okay, so we'll see. So this is 0, this is 0, this is 90, and this is between 130 and 140. This is 135. Got it? See, this is 0, this is 90, and this is between. If you look closer, see 130 and 140, it is between them, so that is 135. Got it? So it's a very simple way of, and the fastest way and the easiest way of constructing an angle of 135 degree. So let's recap. See, first of all, you need an arm AO. From O, the vertex, construct 90 as usual, then extend this arm to C. Then on the other 90, just bisect it. You'll get 45. So the first 90 plus 45 makes 135. Easy. If you have any questions, let me know, students. I'll be there to answer those questions. Okay. I hope you are following my lectures. Well, students, thanks for watching. We'll meet in another lecture about more constructions very soon. Okay. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.